The president is going to update the American people on his administration's COVID response before pushing for federal voting rights legislation.
He's going to do this in a meeting with Senate Democrats, and the president is hoping to persuade moderate holdouts to get on board. NBC's Alice Barr is reporting live from Washington with all the details. Alice, good morning.
Good morning, Maureen and Dave. On voting rights, President Biden faces outrage from Republicans, pushback from some moderate Democrats, and impatience from activists to get something done. But the president begins his day with the pandemic's ever-growing challenges.
President Biden preparing to address the nation today on the federal response to the COVID winter surge. A mixed picture this morning with a new California study finding the Omicron variant that now accounts for 98% of U.S. cases is less likely to lead to hospitalization, ICU admission, or death than the Delta variant.
It's important to note that Omicron continues to be much more transmissible than Delta.
The sheer number of cases means nationwide ICUs are 82% full, a pandemic high.
We have more patients. Our patients are sicker.
With businesses and schools struggling to stay open, the White House now sending 10 million more COVID tests to K-12 schools every month and naming a new testing coordinator charged with increasing access across the country and speeding up results.
Class and middle class, and it's worked.
President Biden also seeking results on a separate policy priority, protecting the right to vote. Vice President Harris pressuring Congress to act.
I don't think anyone should be absolved from the responsibility of preserving and protecting our democracy.
The president will meet with Senate Democrats later today as two moderate holdouts threaten to derail federal voting rights legislation. They're against changing long-standing Senate rules to overcome united Republican opposition. Despite the uncertainty, Democratic leaders promising a vote on two voting bills by Monday.
The House Rules Committee met last night to begin the process of advancing voting rights legislation. The Senate could start debate as soon as today. Maureen and Dave?
Yeah, a big issue that we'll be following. Alice, thank you so much.